Welcome back to the channel, everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious and moist turkey crown. So stay tuned for this video tutorial. If it's the first time you're watching this channel, just to let you know you're welcome. Thanks for having you. Please do remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a positive comment. See you soon. So one of the things with turkey, what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut like onion, just rough chop the onion. So whatever veg you have, I'm using onion, some carrots, just rough chop the carrots. Then get your roasting pan. So I'm gonna put the turkey breast or turkey crown, whatever you call it in this. So go ahead and just spread your vegetable all over. Remember, just seasoning. I'm just gonna use some coarse Celtic salt, peppercorn. So make sure you season your veg that you get everything hot because it's a big bird. Just gonna use some rosemary. You can use rosemary, thyme, bit of oregano, a bit of sage. So I'm just gonna use that. Now just get your bird and just place it down. Now to season this is very, very easy and simple. I'm gonna add some all-purpose over it. Some black pepper. I'm gonna put some coarse salt over it. So this is called a dry rub. And then I'm gonna add some dry thyme over it. Can use fresh also. It's very simple and easy. One of the most important things with the turkey is to get it moist. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a little bit of water in the bottom of this. So I'm going to pour a bit of water in that. One of the things I get to work at a carvery, which we normally do 100 of turkey per week. And I normally do the roasting because I was one of the carvery chefs. One of the most important things is to get your gravy right. So I will take you all through the process. So what I'm doing now, just gonna put the cover, aluminum foil over this. Make sure it's to preheat your oven at about 250 degrees. And your finished temperature should be over 70. So ladies and gentlemen, this is what it looked like at the start. But I still have a long way to go. So I'm just giving you a preview. So I'll take this with me in the catering truck just to finish off in the oven. So the turkey is now out of the oven, and this is what it looked like. Nice and moist. So with the remaining bits that's in the bottom, that's what you use to make your gravy or your sauce, which I'll show you how to make that after I remove the turkey from the container. So it's well relaxed now.